Abe, you can hold Ashton's hand.
What nice friends, right, Abe?
Hey Rylan, you can go see it.
You guys can go see it if you want.
Go through the fence, over the fence, whatever you need to do.
You didn't know that? Rylan, how old are you?
Okay. One of their steam engines. Wow.
Okay, can everybody see?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a steam engine, which I think you probably already knew, right?
Yeah.
This is the biggest locomotive we have, 928, which is a mountain type. Now the railroads all gave their locomotives names for the wheel arrangements. If you look at this one, on the pilot truck, which helps it go around curves, we have 4 wheels, 2 on each side, right? Then you have your drive wheels, 8 of them, and then the trailing truck, which is 2 more wheels, so it came as a 4-8-2. Now the most common type of locomotive, I believe, was a 4-6-2. It's only had 6 driving wheels. More driving wheels, heavier the locomotive, the more it could pull. Now the boiler on this engine goes from this point all the way back here. Now that's all filled with water. The firebox is this silver area right here. That's where the fire is. This up here is the smoke box. Inside the smoke box is what we call a blower. It blows exhaust steam up through the stack, which creates a draft. Now between the smoke box and the firebox there's a bunch of tubes. Andrew, where are you? Called flues. Nothing. They're called flues. That allows the smoke and the heat from the firebox to go up through the water in the boiler and out the stack. That creates steam. This is the steam dome.
Victor, don't touch anything in there, okay?
This is the steam dome where the steam collects. There's a pipe in here called the dry pipe. The steam goes into that dry pipe through the throttle and down here to the cylinders. 2 cylinders, 1 on each side. 2 valves, 1 on top of each cylinder. Those cylinders push and pull the driving wheels. That makes the locomotive go. Also up here, probably one of the biggest things we have on here is the 2 safeties. We get 165 pounds to open and keep it from blowing up. Whistle, and of course the cab. Any questions?
How fast can it go?
Too damn fast.
20 miles an hour?
Running by itself would probably get up around 35, 40.
Wow.
At scale or?
No.
Real?
Oh no, that's real speed.
That would be cool.
No, it wouldn't. Believe me, it wouldn't. I doubt very much it would stay on the track very long at that speed. Yes. Go ahead.
Nice.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, now behind them is the tender. And the tender is where the water is for the boiler, because it turns to steam and obviously goes away. Okay, what's the bell?
Enough with the bell. We can't hear him.
Whistle won't work.
The whistle won't work without steam.
The other tank is there for fuel oil, which we burn and it creates the heat. One of the big drawbacks of a steam engine over a locomotive, over a diesel locomotive, We could only go about 100 miles. And it had to have water. So that was a big version. A diesel locomotive could go several hundred miles at a time. Okay.
How do you heat? How do you heat it? Propane or
No, it's fuel oil. Actually, it's jet fuel.
jet fuel?
Kerosene, in other words. We get it as a waste and burn it. Now, the other 2 locomotives we have operating right now are coal burners.
What's this place down here?
Okay, what's the question?
Let's raise our hands.
Okay. What's the question?
That's a lot of fire. Can I sit here?
What's your question? How long is it? About 21 feet. Okay.
That's a cool one. They're all cool.
Anything else?
Yeah, can we have the boys sit on that bottom
Yeah,
thing?
we'll give you time for pictures.
All right.
Any other questions?
Sit here.
How long is it in centimeters?
No idea.
Did you say that these will not run as long as the diesel, or the diesel will run longer? Full-size plus the early one.
We can figure that out.
Besides being.
Um,
Okay, any other questions?
how old is it?
This engine? About 5 years.
Oh, 5 years.
We
Who?
built this one a few years ago.
You built it,
Basically a
huh?
replica.
Pardon?
It's basically a replica, right?
Yes and no. It's not built as any particular engine. It's just something that was designed and built here.
Okay.
Some of the parts came from a kit. What? This is oil burner. The engine over there is a coal burner.
And these are pretty heavy out of that.
I think this goes a little over 3,000 pounds.
So it's more than most cars.
Well, I don't know about that.
Modern cars, though.
No, it's not as heavy as a car.
Yeah.
But I don't really know. We're just guessing.
I would say no.
Okay,
You'll have to wait.
adults, if you would like to take a picture of your kid in the cab, you're certainly welcome to do that, or up standing alongside of it. Please do that. I would prefer you stay off the turntable.
Thank you.
Who's GF Kiesel?
No, you don't want it. It's dirty.
You do not want it. No.
It's really dirty.
Here's a picture of the steam locomotive. Actual wood coal burning steam. Here we go. Very greasy in here. Oh my gosh. Floors are made out of grease.